to get to know the speakers of Digital Confex. Today, we have with us Karan Patel, AVP MENA region, EMB Global. He will be joining as a distinguished speaker on the topic Localizing for Global, Winning with Culture First Digital Strategies during the THATware Present 6 Team at Confex in association with Ascendant Group Banding, taking place in Dubai on 11 December. So, hi Karan, welcome to the chat show.
Hi, Ayush. Pleasure. Thank you for inviting me over.
It's been our pleasure to have you in our conference, Karan. So, can you introduce yourself and with a brief introduction and also your field of expertise for our audience?
Definitely, like you mentioned, my name is Karan Patel. I'm currently the AVP with EMB Global. EMB Global is basically a digital solution provider company based out of India. However, we do have a regional head office in Abu Dhabi under the Alpha Wave program and part of the ADP network that is Abu Dhabi Holdings. I actually work as the LOB head. I head the line of business under AI and marketing. And previously, I've worked with Etisalat as the head of marketing commercial for over 6.5, 7 years time. And my expertise kind of lies in the marketing and using AI across the and giving customer the omnichannel experience. Yeah.
It's great knowing your journey and what you are working on right now. So, moving forward, I have a few questions for you today. My first question
So
is, what does localizing for global really mean to you?
Topic, I think that's an excellent question to ask. It's more just translating content, right? It's about understanding local culture, values, traditions, also understanding various digital behaviors. So strategies are more national, more authenticate in every market. Now, I'll give you an example or rather a use case. Netflix is really making waves on a global level, right? And imagine if we being sitting in India or in the Middle East, we are not kind of okay to an extent of consuming the US based content. So, for example, Netflix has understood how to localize content for the global audience. For example, Sacred Games made waves in India because it was kind of used on a very local means. So content was very much diversified and kind of made for the local audiences. Top of that, even if you look the South Korean show, which is Squid Game, which was again a global phenomenon, but again it was kind of made for the local audiences, along with the Money Heist, the Spain version. So I think one of the reasons why Netflix is so popular because they have actually understood how to localize, content for the global audiences. So that's the gamut of things when you say localizing for global.
I think you have given some great examples like how Netflix is doing this. So, my next question is, why is a culture first approach so critical today?
So everything, if you look at technology, everywhere you see it's we are kind of around technology. It connects us instantly, but connection without cultural sensitivity often falls flat. Right? A culture first approach ensures that digital strategy resonate with people. It's quite aligned, quite on the face. It kind of builds trust. It creates lasting impressions, lasting engagement across borders.
So, my final question, so what can we expect from your panel session? Like, what will be the key takeaways? Can you brief it?
Sure, why not? Global success is not about choosing between scale and relevance. It's about blending both, leveraging global reach with deeply respecting local insights. When culture leads, digital strategies don't expand markets, but they also create meaningful connection that endures and takes things forward. So, it's we need to make sure that localization kind of connects very well with the cultural brand.
I think great takeaway. So, I have also prepared some rapid fire questions. So, my first question is,
Sure.
so you are a morning person or night owl?
I'm a morning person. My day kind of starts at a very early morning, right? Because I kind of believe you're kind of fresh in the morning. You have that kind of a bandwidth to actually take oneself throughout the whole day. So yeah, I'm a morning person.
So one common mistakes brands make online.
Um, I think it's a Me Too effect. If the brand is actually working on a strategy which is purely dominant on Me Too, I think then there is no separate USP. And if it's a Me Too brand in the market, then there is nothing to sell on that front. So I think a Me Too approach is something that would not take a brand for a longer time. Yeah.
So as you join conference, many conference I should say. So any one line networking tips for the attendees you can say.
I think one liner, one word, if you ask me, I think, there are people coming from different genres. It gives you kind of a wide range, expectations, also cultural. So when I'm talking about localization, it's kind of localized, but with a global outreach is something that I would like to give kind of my mindset to the audiences in terms of networking. Yeah.
So thanks, Karan. It was great connecting with you, and I am thrilled with your excitement to join our conference. So, any words for our
Thank you.
participants who will be joining the conference?
Well, let's connect. Let's discuss it. I think it's a great topic. We all should be very much aligned and inclined toward discussing each other's thought. And I'm sure it would be great for the audience to understand where we come from and what is the thought process from our side. Yeah.
Great, good to know. So, thanks for your time today, Karan, and to all the participants. Don't miss the session happening on ThreadWare presents 60-minute Confex in association with Ascendant Group Branding, taking place in Dubai on 11 December. Get a great chance to connect with them in person. See you soon, Karan.
Thank you very much.